Okay. Just a little bit, Jared.
Yeah, just time it on your spoon.
Hurry, we're all gonna do it. Look, Shauna's gonna get some. Shauna's gonna get a lot. See?
Do you want some, Jared? I think that's too much.
No, it's not. Just do the same amount in yours. Just a little bit, Jared.
See, I just went like that.
Yeah.
Like,
See, me and Crystal are gonna do it.
are you ready? You want to try some?
Come on, be a big boy.
I think it'd be awesome. It's gonna be so funny. You'll be on video with me and Shauna. You'd be famous.
Yeah.
I got some more money in my purse. I'll give it to you.
I'll give you $1.
She'll give you $2. $1 now and $1 after.
No.
Want to do it? Then you'll have $4. Just get a little bit on your spoon.
No, yeah.
On your finger?
No,
Okay,
no,
yeah.
No, it won't work.
He won't like it.
Yummy, yum.
Now
Okay.
put it on your spoon.
These are chicken.
A little bit less than that, John. For real, he's a baby.
No, not that much.
Here.
That much.
There. Yeah, about that,
That
much.
much.
Look how much meat.
Hold
Okay,
on.
ready? Hold it in
One.
your mouth. Hold it. Wait. You
One.
got 1, 2, 3.
Mm.
Ooh. Ooh. It's on my leg!
I threw up. Did you really? Really did.
It's on my leg! It's on my leg!
Hang on, baby.
That is so disgusting.
Hey, you have me on video doing that too.
Why did you fucking puke?
I couldn't help it.
You're disgusting.